Welcome to our guide on setting your flight preferences in the Orbitz app. Whether you're booking a flight for business or leisure, customizing your travel experience is essential. In this video, we'll walk you through how to specify your seat preference and request special assistance, ensuring a smoother journey. First, open the Orbitz app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right. Then, scroll down until you find the Flight Preferences section and tap on it. From here, you can select your preferred seat type, such as a window or aisle seat. If necessary, you can also choose Special Assistance by tapping on the Special Assistance option and selecting the type of assistance you require from the list provided. Finally, ensure that all your preferences are saved. These settings will be applied to your future flight bookings, enhancing your travel experience. By following these steps, you ensure that your seating and assistance needs are met with ease.